Hey, what's up, Team Cowan? Brandon Tomlinson here in Baltimore, Maryland. Happy to be joined by Terminal Manager Eric Glover. This is 53 Feet. So Eric, I know you're the man on the grill. You gotta cook one meal for the family. What are you making?
Oh yeah, we doing ribs this summer. 5 hours in the smoker, doctor up some sweet baby rays to throw on in. Good to go.
Good to go, the grill master. All right, I know you're a big football fan, New York Giants football to be exact. Favorite player of all time?
Oh, LT, easy. LT, best defensive player ever.
Lawrence Taylor, the sack master. I can dig it. I'd be remiss if I didn't mention it. I see you with the white kicks. You're looking fresh. Can you tell me about them?
I'm trying, you know, represent the summertime. We got this laid back dress code thing going on, so feeling nice and laid back and fresh. So, you know.
Feeling good, looking like P. Diddy at an all-white party. I respect it. Guys, Eric, thank you so much. My man, we got the mask. You got to mask up, right?
Yes, sir.
Team Cowan, we'll catch you next time. See y'all.